This is Velreeve's camping fan. Let's dive right in. Upon opening the box, we are greeted with two cards. One is the warranty card, and the other is the instruction manual, which contains all the necessary information about the product. We also have the camping fan itself, along with a remote control and a Type-C USB cable for charging. Now, let's take a closer look at the product. Here, we have the Easy Touch Control interface. Let's start by tapping this button to activate the fan. The fan has 5 speed modes. Next is the light mode, which offers 3 lighting options: cool, warm, and warmer. We also have the oscillation button, which allows you to switch between a 90-degree and a 45-degree oscillation angle. Then there's the timer mode, which lets you set a timer between 1 to 8 hours. Before we dive into the last button, let's explore the mist feature. On top of the fan, you'll see a water tank. This is where you pour in water to enable the misting function. Simply fill it up with as much water as you'd like. Next, remove the rubber plug located at the center of the fan. This is where the mist will come out. Now, with just a touch of a button, the mist effect activates. There are 2 misting modes: continuous and intermittent. Now that we're familiar with all the modes, let's check out some physical features. The fan head is adjustable up to 270 degrees, so you can set it to your preferred angle. At the bottom of the product is a hook, allowing you to hang the fan on a pole. However, make sure to empty the water tank before hanging it upside down, as it will leak. That means the mist mode can't be used when the fan is hanging upside down. Now onto some additional features. On the side of the fan is a rubber cover. When removed, you'll find the Type-C charging port and a USB port. You might be wondering, why a USB port? That's because this fan also functions as a power bank, so you can charge your phone while you're on the go. Awesome, right? Lastly, the remote control. It provides convenient access to all the features. The buttons on the remote mirror those on the fan, so it's very straightforward to use. The Velreeve camping fan is more than just a fan. It's your all-in-one companion for staying cool, lit, and connected on your outdoor adventures.